Today I'm going to talk to you about making those big investment decisions. You know, the type that might be buying a business or making a special investment. The question you have to ask yourself is, are you making the decision via intuition or is it a hope decision? And do you know the difference? My name's David. Let's jump straight in. Hi everyone, great to see you here and welcome back to those of you who see me regularly. Look, today I'm going to be covering just one key point that stumps quite a lot of people when they're trying to work out some issues in their business, or maybe just trying to make some general investment decisions, again related to your business, and you're stuck in a dilemma as to which way you should really go. Today I'm actually going to be quoting a little bit from Swiss axiom number 7, which is in the well-famed book, the Zurich Axioms. Now, this is a book that I've been reading for quite a long time. I'm very familiar with different parts of it very well, of course, and I'd like to share with you some of my revelations to it. However, what we're actually going to concentrate on today is Zurich Axiom number 7, and that is to distinguish between whether you've actually got a hunch based upon your intuition or a hunch based upon hope. And a lot of people actually fall down most of the time on this particular one because they want an activity or something to come out of it. So what they try to do is, if it's hope, they'll try to find evidence around it and say, I really want this particular investment. And by the way, here's all these charts and everything that's actually going to conform to it. Whereas a person who is acting out of intuition usually has a lot of that knowledge inside their head already. It's just a matter of how they make those connections come together in their mind versus, hey, where did I get this particular idea? So somewhere along the line, they've got that knowledge deep inside themselves already. And they say, yep, I see this connection. I can see A plus B plus C equals this. Great, I'm going to move upon this business decision. But a person who's making a hope decision will arrive at it a completely different way. And they will try to usually ascribe facts to their decision. One of the things that you need to look at is, if you're coming up to a decision that you think is based upon a hunch, the Zurich Axiom book specifically says, put it through a test. And that is, can you rationally explain how you got that hunch? If you can rationally explain how you got that hunch, i.e. from your knowledge that you've already got on this particular thing, it might be a real estate investment, it might be a commercial real estate investment, it might be a particular business that you've been involved in. Maybe say you've worked in the cafe business for many years, and you know a particular location, and when it comes up, you've got to have that particular location because you know from all the facts and the details that you've had for many years that that's the number one location and everyone's done well at it before, and there are no other mitigating factors around it that can actually detract from that decision. That's based upon your intuition. Whereas someone who's got hope may have no real background in this area. They've only tried something in this area once, or maybe very fragmented before, and they are basically going in blind. But being the type of people that we are as humans, we try to make an emotional decision and then surround it with a few facts. Whereas a person who's acting upon intuition will already have a lot of those facts based internally in them. So you have to ask yourself the question, are you prepared to take your decision and then can you rationalize it? And rationalize it really quickly. Because if you can't, then it's likely that you're basing your decision upon hope. Anyway, I hope you've got something out of this. Check out these other videos that I've got. I look forward to seeing you again soon. This is David Newton speaking.